how to delete your Gmail account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Vesnal, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Gmail account. Now the process itself is quite simple, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you can do is you want to open up your Gmail, tap on the profile icon at the top right, and then make sure you are signed in to the particular Google account. You are on the particular Gmail account that you want to delete, and then tap on Google account there, and you'll be headed to this page here. Now on this page, on this Google account page, what you want to do is you want to head into the option that says data and privacy. From here, you want to scroll down below onto the option that says data and privacy from apps you use. So you can see data from apps and services that you use. And under it, you can see content saved from Google services. Now here you can see Google Play, YouTube, Gmail. But if you don't get it here, you can simply tap on content saved from Google services. Here, let it load up. It's taking quite a while. And then tap on delete a service option. And from here, now you want to select Gmail. So first tap on delete a Google service. Then it'll show up the list of service that you use using your Google. First continue and go through security process here. I'll just confirm my PIN. And once you do so, it'll show you the list of services that your Google account is associated. In my case, you can see YouTube, Gmail, and Play Games. You want to simply tap on the trust icon next to Gmail. Then it'll ask you to verify with an email address and go through verification process. And once you go through it, you'll be able to delete your Gmail account. So this way you can delete your Gmail account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.